Hello viewers, welcome to new video. In this video, I will show how to fix Instagram auto logout problem. Show the error logout. You have been logout problem. Let's see how to fix this problem. Open on phone setting. Tap on apps. Click on see all apps. Search Instagram. Click on Instagram. Tap on storage and cache. Tap on clear storage. Tap on delete. Open on Google Play Store. Search Instagram app. Search Instagram app and update Instagram app if available. Now open on Instagram. Instagram auto logout problem solved. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.